Are you responsible for this one, Will? I think so. Another Willy Do pick from a company called Torch Electric. It's kind of fitting that this type of thing arrived at this time of year. This show takes place in a Toronto area. It's been a bit cold. This is high-tech clothing. It emits heat. It keeps you warm, and it could be useful for you as well if you yourself live in a colder climate. You're snowboarding, skiing, you're building a snowman, playing hockey. You see, that's the key. I recently built an outdoor hockey rink, and I got to be out there flooding the rink, maintaining the rink. It's a side job, all right? It's not all fun and games over here. So maybe these will come in handy, or maybe they're terrible. I don't know. Heated base layer, heated gloves. That's pretty cool. You have the heated base layer shirt, one power bank, one charger, one instruction manual, and your freedom from the cold. Never again will the cold affect you. If you're a guy like Jack, you're freezing all the time. The dude is shivering, he's shaking. Give us a little, there, that's him. Anyhow, okay, let's do the gloves first. I'm kind of excited about the gloves, some heated gloves. I mean, who doesn't want that? Ooh, they look kind of cool. Also, higher end gloves than I expected. Look at these. Wow, I'm a new man, look at me. Ice Road Truckers. I've never watched that show in my life. There's a button on the front. This is to power it on and off. My hand is getting hot right now without powering this up. We have these tiny little power banks. You see this? 2,200 milliamp hours each. A neoprene cover over top the battery unit. Now it has multiple power levels. That's high heat output. Blue is medium and green is low. That's kind of cool. You can charge them both at the same time. 2 tips. And boom, just like that. So Will's just telling me right now, the low setting on a full charge will give you 6 to 7 hours. Medium will give you 4 to 5 hours. And high is gonna give you 2 to 3 hours. Okay, now, this is how we're gonna connect it. Go like this, this. You zip it up. It looks like a water resistant zipper as well. You see how it creates the seal there? That's important. So it's zipped up, you throw it on. Okay, so we're on red mode. Maximum heating. Am I feeling heat already? Or is it just the warmth of the glove? No, I'm feeling heat now. It's heating up quick, actually. It is very warm. It's warm right across here, right up through there, in the fingers as well. That's the first thing that's gonna get cold for those of you that don't know. Oh, this is nice. My hand is hot right now. Like, my hand is beginning to sweat now. Skiing? Skiing? The Canadian things, all right, guys? Tailgating? You were saying? Couple beers in the parking lot? This is you. You're there forever. Apparently, these work for touch as well. So, oh, that's crazy. That's cool. You don't even need to take the glove off. Sweet. How much are we paying for these, Will? My hand is sweating right now, even on green. I'm gonna power this down. How much are we paying for these? Why are you whispering? $120. I'm not gonna pretend it's not a serious price tag. You see that stickiness? My hand is hot right now. 120 bucks, you get it on Amazon. I think the person who this is for, you know who you are. You wanna be outdoors, you enjoy the outdoors, even in the cold. I think it's cool. It's a bit pricey, but it works, man. My hand is sweating. Will, I think you did well on these. Next up, their other product they sent us. Now, I know they make a few others, but this is the base layer. This battery pack here is similar to the one they offer for the coats. Bigger, it should last a bit longer. Oh, okay, so it's like a hoodie, but it's kind of thin. It's not super thick. Oh, and it's a pullover. Zippered pockets, not bad. Look at this. Okay, so this is where the USB connects. It has a little cap on it to keep water out. I feel like the heating electronics are in the middle section over here. Should I try it on? What do you guys say? Okay, why not? This could be another good one for the hockey rink, that's for sure. This one has the controls right here. I just noticed on the arm. Looks like we have one bar. Can you see this, Jack? This is it. You just plug this guy in. Oh, comes on straight away. Let's get some power flowing. We're on red mode. Imagine this with the gloves. I'm untouchable. They can't touch me. I'm in Alaska. I'm saving polar bears. If Al Gore had this back in the day, that would have been a convenient truth instead of inconvenient, you see? You know something? I'm not feeling as much heat as the gloves. It is heating up right in this region. It's definitely warm. Now, something I realized with this one as well, It's not a proprietary connector. It's just a USB connector. If you wanted to, you could have a bigger power bank hooked up to it. You could have another one charged up. You know what I'm saying, Will? It's warm. I'm getting cooked. I think for some reason I like the gloves better. How much does this thing cost? $140? I'm taking the gloves. But this is cool tech. It's a place where tech hasn't really become super integrated yet, you know, into clothing items such as these. It's the real deal. It actually works. Anyhow, there you have it. Cool new clothing tech. It's all happening. We're in the future. I'm getting heated right now. All right, I'm heading up north. Later.